and welcome to my channel. I am Very Black Girl Tips, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make meat pies. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. To recreate this recipe, you will need some sifted flour, some softened and melted butter, some eggs at room temperature, sifted baking powder, some milk at room temperature, and some salt. Don't worry, proper recipe and measurements will be in the description section so you can check it out later. The first step is adding in your sifted flour, and to the flour add in your melted butter. You want to get all of it as I'm doing in the video, and fold in with your hands. This is why you want to wash your hands before starting, because this meat pie recipe involves a lot of mixing in with your hands. You want to mix it for 2 to 3 minutes, or at least till you get a crumb-like texture or this texture I'm showing in the video. Once you get the right texture, you want to go in with your sugar, fold in for a minute or 2 as I'm doing the video. Then create a hole in the middle and pour in your eggs, your milk, At this point, you want to aim for an elastic texture, and then you transfer to a flat surface. Then you knead for as long as possible. Knead, give it a few punches, add some flour. Just make sure you are kneading and it's getting a little thicker. And then you roll into a ball. You can see me shaping with my hands. You can do this off the table or on the table. Just make sure you're rolling into a ball. After shaping into a ball, transfer into your mixing bowl and cover with a cling film. I didn't have a cling film, so I had to use this. Here are the ingredients you need for the meat pie filling. The process will be in another video. But you will need some minced meat, some well-chopped onions, some well-chopped carrots, and some well-chopped potatoes, some seasoning, some black pepper. You will also need some vegetable oil. I use sunflower oil, and here's the result. After refrigerating for about 45 minutes, bring out of your refrigerator and transfer back to your flat surface. Knead a little bit, then cut into bits and choose what portion you think you can work with at a time. Pick that portion, knead, flatten, roll it out till it looks a little bit elastic and a little bit like this, so it looks like a little see-through. After flattening, use your saucer or your soup bowl to cut out a round shape. You can also use your knife. It helps give it a much more defined edge, I found, as you can see in the video. Take the part you cut out and put some fillings right in the middle, not on one side, right in the middle. If you feel like it's too much, take a little help like I did, and then you fold over. Make sure the edges are right on top of each other, and press the tips together. You can use your hand like I'm doing the video, or your utensils, or just use your utensils the way I'm doing, just right after using my hand. Do this process till all your dough is gone and your entire oven tray is filled with delicacies. Poke a few holes in them to let the steam out. Apply egg wash so they don't burn quickly. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.